Then all your plan, Mr. President, we have seen it. You don't, if you are traveling, you carry the whole government will not function till you come back. Kashim have nothing to do with when you come back. He cannot call for fair meeting. He cannot call for any meeting. He only remain there till you come back. Everything is stepped down till you come back. Mr. President, we bought you because of Kashimo from the north. He's presenting us and he's a vice president. You are the only president that doesn't hand over to vice president when you are going. You say you are working leave. Which working leave? You are not only working leave, Waga. If you are going hand over to vice president, that is why he is there. Simple. If you don't do it, fine. Whether you do it or you know do 2027 or you are going, we will not vote you because we understand where you are going. You are not focusing on the north, you are not focusing on the east, you are not focusing on the south. You are only focusing in the west, and the west only Lagos. Why? Well, no problem. Do anything you want, but when you are going, Oga, is a constitution you must hand over to vice president so that activities will continue and nothing like working leave. You travel, you say you're working leave. I'm a retired military officer. If I'm traveling, as the CEO, I hand over to my battalion twice. As the OC, I hand over to my 2 in the company. As a brigade commander, you carry the most senior CO to head the brigade until when you come back. If it's GOC, it's the same thing. If it's Chief Army Staff, it's the same thing. Why are you, if you are traveling, you don't hand over to vice president, you just go. And vice president cannot tell you something to do. He's the chairman of committee on economy. When he said that, he said they withdraw the bill. I expected you to withdraw the bill. When Buhari was traveling, he handed over to Osubanjo. Osubanjo removed the director of SS that time, Deora. When he come back, he did not talk. But your own is different, Mr. President. It's different. You
One on one Shettima. Who they look for Shettima? Nigeria vice president. The northern leaders and that they say that they look for her, they no hear from Ramo, they no see and they no hear anything. Me. How? No be that one alone, no. You hear what Mr. Gallos talk? He said, now because of Shettima, now he make the northerner voted for President Bola Tinubu. Kai! Òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ padà jáde tá bá ń sọ nǹkan fún yín ẹ máa nírọ́ là ń pa jẹ́ kí sáré gbé edebe ọmọ ìyá mi. You remember during the campaign, election campaign, you remember now. I know say Yoruba no dey quick forget something. Me I carry una enter that matter again. You remember that time where Baba Tinubu dey do campaign now? If you want climb steps na gbaja. Baba Famo gbaja. Àwọn náà máa fọwọ́ gbé bàbá lẹ́yìn pé irọ́ ẹ gòkè orí gòkè àlọ́ ó gbọ́dọ̀ wálé ó wálé tì. Ṣé o ti gbàgbé ni? Ṣé o ti gbàgbé bí bàbá ṣe máa ń dẹ̀gbẹ́? Bàbá tún dànù báyìí, ìgbà mi bàbá tún stagger pé irọ́ ni a máa débẹ̀, a máa gbé wálé, aláwa ló kàn. Lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá, you remember the worst part of it? Touring why do the link for back, the link for front. We all of us they shout up and down. Mo wà lára àwọn tó kó fún Mama Tinubu now. You they look your husband, they ring the link for front, the link for back. Which kind of level be this one? Now you they disgrace Yoruba people. Oh boy, the matter past that level. Oh. When the thing enter me like this, I begin to call people that time. I can't call some of my Baba Tinubu boys now. Now that one, now them come they yam me sense. Say that I go sit down a part of politics. I see. Any politicians Nigeria lè kú pé Ọlọ́run lè kú pé. So tó bá nírọ́ ni ìgbà tí bàbá tí wọ́n ti wá inaugurate wọn. You see all those period where baba dey demo all those things. They know that they fall for round. They no say na part of the game. They can't they look baba, they smile for one corner like this. They can't they pretend if they come out, they say na Tinubu. Now you go no say na lie. All those that time where they shout Tinubu, they say for her. Now because of Shettima. Because they say Tinubu as they do that time, Papa nowhere. And who look Papa that time, Tinubu, go to say 3 to 6 months in that Aso Villa, Baba go pie, he know they strong, he know well, nothing where people no talk. Even himself, the kind waka way they waka, you understand? So the northern don't enter the share, now Isha don't enter the northern, they come think, say, okay, now Yaradua style be day, so you know, say na so Yaradua too pine for that time. Where Jonathan come take over as the vice president, Koruju. So the northern now, they can't calculate, say, as Tinubu they do like this, make them support her. And that time Yoruba Nation, they make la. Then they look for Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho up and down. Because they believe, say, if they cash out, everybody go make one. Okay now. So the whole thing now, come they jump out, they can't give Tinubu support. Like Kilode, but when I go to say now, better man they take support Tinubu. No. One, because of Yoruba Nation, may they quench Yoruba Nation, may they cash Igbo, may they release Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho for them. Thirdly, the thing say Tinubu, if he reach there, he no go take, go pie, Shettima go take over. Now you the year, now the thing come the pepper there. Kini Baba de better inaugurate. Nothing they leak again. You they see anything they leak? Ye Baba where they degbe say Baba straight kakaraka Baba come Baba got to jog. He could answer Ọkùnrin Ogun Baba. Baba Tinubu, Sholodo Rimo, Olodo Deni. They never hear when. Teach them sense, make them hear. Show them. Baba Tinubu, pepper them, make them know. Shebi no then at the shelf. One Nigeria is not negotiable. You never even when you reach 2 years. They don't they talk every day. We want go, we want live, we want stand, we want love, we want this, we want no then they can't they confused. They don't know what they want. Today they won't come out. Tomorrow we go wait till 2027. We not go vote for her for 2027. Another day, yes, so we don't want to be Nigeria again. We want our own country. Confusion everywhere. Confusion everywhere. Now, they say that they look for Shettima as a vice president. Say Baba Tinubu, if he come out, he know they hand over, give Shettima. They no hear anything. Shettima know they active for their side. Where it's supposed to be. Because they believe, say Baba Tinubu, he know where. Now Shettima go, they do major of the waka. Baba Tinubu to go one go. Ọmọ ọlọ́dọ̀ọ̀rin àdàrà àti ẹ̀bá ẹ̀. Ọmọ ọlọ́dọ̀ọ̀dẹ. Bàbá tagéwì yẹn fún wọn, Mr. Kakule. No, Mr. Gallos called the ass. They say that they look for Shettima. Ìyẹn ò ti ẹ̀wà rújú ṣe ó ti gbàgbé ni. Ní ìgbà Buhari, una brother 8 good years he dey there. He dey rule Nigeria like say na im own family matter. Every one of una wey be northern leaders and elders, una dey happy with her. Una dey even Erufai pikin no dey allow anybody breathe for that tweet. On Twitter, no, you know they allow us breathe there. Every day, the northern go they shock the southern and say na them get country, na them get power, na them get everything. We be mumu and all this thing. So the table don't turn now. It never even reach 2 years. The thing don't scatter. Wetin happen? That time when Buhari did there for good 8 years. A vice president now Osinbajo, our own papa. Yes, now mo Yoruba ni confirm too. As he be vice president for good 8 years, anytime when Buhari they travel, they hand over to Osinbajo. Na lie. Mr. Gallos no they lie. I know they lie. I know like him. I know they like me person they lie. I hate liars. Not true, because every one of us we know. Nothing say na only una they know. No, na the thing where we know say me no na no. Yes, many things when they run for down the side, when I think say we don't know, we know. But the time never reach where go for it, and I believe same. Everything gets fine. The time where Osinbajo dey there, Buhari come out, he hand over to Ra, he reach one time where beside join some other people, Yoruba people, with they look for Osinbajo. Just the same way you they ask for Shettima now. Now lie. Tobajo Tomoso, cause it be comment section. One be one fake bo. Àwọn gan wá bàbá Ọ̀ṣínbàjò pé ẹ bá wa gbé bàbá Ọ̀ṣínbàjò jáde o àárí o make dem no go pay am o. But come on, the time wey Tinubu dem go borrow money. From that borrowed money, they carry 16 billion to build vice president house for not there. Gallos, you no talk o, abi you come out talk? Okay. Of recent for this last month wey come out now, they still go borrow money. They carry 5 billion naira. Bam. For Shettima house renovation for Lagos. I know say any northern come out come to say, this one too much now. Wait till they work on. It never finish. You may not call listen to this one too.
Listen, the way they will form only Lagos State and they will have their police. Then, okay, what of the other side? Then that is the difference. That is mean you want to share this country to Lagos State only to be the headquarters. Okay, if that is what this president, since he come, he renovated president house in Dodombara. He renovated by president Dodombara in Lagos. Why the other president doesn't renovate the house? And anywhere is traveling, he doesn't hand over to vice president. Vice president remain as a vice president. He doesn't hand over to him. He will only carry his son. Anywhere he's going, he's carrying his son. I saw him in France shaking Marco. I saw him in Qatar. I saw him in Guinea, Equatorial Guinea. Is the son, is the president? Do we vote him? Is he a minister? Where is our foreign minister? He pushed all of them in the bench. This person is not ready for Nigeria. It's only a family game and they will not take it, Oga. We don't have, me, I only respect. I don't fear anybody. I don't fear arrest. I don't fear to death. That is what. Then secondly, nobody, president cannot bring France soldiers to northern Nigeria. I heard they will come to Kaduna and Sokoto. It's a lie. They will never come there. Me, I'm retired military. I can go back to uniform and check those people out. They can never. They will never. Niger, send them off. Mali, all the France colonies, send them out. Why are we working with France? What is the achievement with France? The colonies where the colonizers, well, they want out. And they are not with them. Then why is the president eager for France? If he carry them, he will drop them in Lagos. But in another soil, anywhere from Kwara down, we will resist and they will not take it. And nobody, we have a combatant, trained military officer. The chief of defense is an infantry, chief of army service is this. We have a strike air force, we have navy who can fight for us. Why do we go and bring higher soldiers? Say they will fight for us in the north. We don't need them, Mr. President. Nobody will come to our soil. Oslo mineral.
Yes, so Olo ti gbọ́ yẹn. See. Ṣèyí Tinubu kọ́ ni problem yín ẹ fèsì ayé yín ní north na Ṣèyí Tinubu be your problem. I'm not here to defend any Tinubu family, but I go talk the reality wey me I know na him be the thing. Ìwọ tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá nation tó bá sọ pé ẹ dára má ṣe kinní kan èmi ò ṣe Yorùbá nation tẹ́ mo ti sọ fún yín. I don't tell you now. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń ṣe Yorùbá nation tẹ́ believe pé tẹ́ torí ẹ gbé Yorùbá nation dání ẹ ní láti bá gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tí ò bá ti gba Yorùbá nation a ní láti bàjà. Mo lè ti ṣe yẹn sẹ́yìn mi ò ṣe mọ́. I am a free as bird. Yorùbá nation campaigner ni mi till the end. Ṣùgbọ́n má wá limit mi sórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation nìkan. Gbogbo nǹkan tó bá wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ó ní mo máa sọ nípa ẹ̀. So ara ẹ̀ náà ni mo ń sọ yìí. Àlàyé tí mo dẹ̀ ń ṣe kì í ṣe pé bíyá mo fi support Tinubu. Ṣùgbọ́n it is between southwest and northerner. Tí àwọn northerner bá láwọn àtòrí Tinubu jẹ́ president wọn ní jẹ́ káwa southwest àwa ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kárí mú mi bẹ́lẹ̀ ta ṣe èrè wo lẹ́yìn Yorùbá jẹ nínú ìjọba Tinubu. Kí ni nǹkan tó ti ṣe fún ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá yàtọ̀ fáwọn boys àwọn caucus àwọn cabinet ẹ̀. Lagos State nìkan ni Tinubu mọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ṣé Tinubu kí ẹ̀ nípa Ondo State ó kí ẹ̀ nípa Ọ̀ṣun níbi tó ti wá gan. Ṣé Tinubu kí ẹ̀ nípa Ògùn eléyìí ọ̀fọ̀ Ògùn ṣé ó kí ẹ̀ nípa Èkìtì àbí ibo ni. Yeah. Lagos State nìkan ni. Now, Mr. Gallos, you said na Tinubu you voted for. You no voted for his son. Ṣèyí Tinubu. Ìwọ náà Ṣèyí Tinubu kí ló dé tó sọ ara ìdàjẹ́ tó ń tẹ̀lé bàbá ẹ̀ kiri. Kí ni problem ayé tiẹ̀ náà? Ṣé fẹ́ sọ di family matter ni? Ìwọ náà máa jókòó lé ṣó oníṣẹ́ ni. Na lie, connection ni bàbá mọ́mọ́ ẹ̀ ṣe káàkiri. Ó rí ó tẹ̀lé wọn lọ Faransé, àbọ̀ rí picture wọn ni. Connection ayé ẹ jẹ́ ká wá dé ká wá jókòó síbi ká máa rántí wa gbà tí bàbá ti wà o but I'm okay with my father. Are you not okay with yours? Ọlọ́run ni ọba tí ń connect èèyàn. Mo tilẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tá ń jà fún náà àwọn tó ń fìyà jẹ wọ́n táwa ń kó fún kó tó wá sórí show mi orí fídíò mi wá kọ́kọ́ rádaràda mo ṣàlàyé àwọn táwa ń jà fún àwọn tó ń fìyà jẹ wọ́n àwọn tá ń jà fún wọ́n defend wọn wọ́n tún bá àwa jà pé à ń jà fún wọn. You dey see that kind of matter reason and my brother. So Mr. Gallos, you said waiting. You said na Ṣèyí Tinubu dey carry up and down instead of Shettima. Until switch nìyẹn power switch and he dey pay you, 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 he dey pay you. Wọ́n ti gé Àṣàkẹ́ Tinubu létí lọ not well na talk wey he hear. mi ò gbọ́ pa, mi ò gbọ́ pì, I no hear wetin devil talk. Araya, you say, is he giving ever? Bàbá Tinubu ti gún wọn lábẹ́rẹ́ oró ní náà tí wọ́n kàn jáporó ni. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ ìdí kòkòrò sí òmu wọn bẹ́lẹ̀ tí forí gbági lélẹ̀ forí gbá ọ̀pẹ̀. Wetin happen? Bàbá Tinubu olódòdẹ. Ẹ ti gbéṣe lédè ta. Right on. Ẹ fẹ́ kú. Ẹ fẹ́ lá. Ẹ fẹ́ kú. Yorùbá àwa gan momi sí ni ojoojúmọ́ náà gbẹ́bọ̀ kàkà tí ń kagúláyà lọ́wọ́ wa àwọn Tinubu family. But kí tó máa lọ. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, mo kàn fẹ́ kí n já yín sí ni. Géèmù burúkú ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin bàbá Tinubu àti Northerner. Ṣé o notice láti ìgbà tí bàbá Tinubu ti lọ sí France? Yàtọ̀ fún mineral resources tí wọ́n solid minerals sí bàbá Tinubu trade pẹ̀lú Faransé ta dẹ̀mọ́rú iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n jẹ́ àwọn ará France. Ẹ rí pé àwọn Northerner ṣáà sọ wípé Tinubu fẹ́ kó military base o, ó fẹ́ kó wá sí Nàìjíríà ni o, ó fẹ́ kó wá sí North ni o, ó fẹ́ kó wá sí North ni o. Ṣó ti ní any evil plan ní against Tinubu against 2027 ni. A jẹ́ wípé Tinubu náà ti wà ahead yín ni tí mo máa yẹn kò wà okay. Ọpọlọ ti pọ̀ jù. Àwọn ọpọlọ òfò. Ọpọlọ ti pọ̀ jù. So ẹ̀yin plan bóyá military máa take over. Torí 2027 yẹn ó máa bad days, ó máa loud days. Hey, Nigeria yẹn. Àwọn Northern plan bí tí Tinubu bá padà win second time, military wọ́n take over. Bàbá Tinubu ìyẹn ti go ahead yìí pé yes, èmi lèmi máa win sáyé ìyá yín máa bàjẹ́. Òun náà ti lọ arrange pẹ̀lú àwọn ará Faransé. Ẹ máa kẹ́rù yín bọ̀. Ẹ má worry ẹja ìwà partner after all. President Cameron. No. Macron. President Macron of France. Ọmọ bàbá ni. Ọmọ wo bàbá rẹ̀. Bàbá sì wo ọmọ rẹ̀. Abẹ́rì tán ju píjì síra wọn ni. You don't see that level. Ọmọ gbàgbé òṣì. Ó máa di Nàìjíríà. Yorùbá land versus North. Ẹ̀yin Yorùbá ṣe ń gbáradì. Ẹ jẹ́ máa gbáradì. Gbogbo nǹkan lẹ máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ẹ mọ̀ kankan. Ẹ jẹ́ lọ gbáradì ojú yín máa bọ́. Bàbá Tinubu ẹ sọ fáwọn boys yín ẹ pè gbogbo lọ́balọ́ba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ẹ pè gbogbo ọmọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá both home and abroad. Àsìkò ìjàkọ́ la wà. Àsìkò unity la wà. Ẹgbẹ́ ìfẹ́ láàyè ní 2027 yẹn. Ẹni máa kú máa kú. Ẹni máa kú máa kú. Tí Nàìjíríà ò bá fàyà before 2027 jẹ́ pé 2027 yẹn ló máa fàyà pẹ̀rẹ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. Torí àwọn Northerner ò gbà láyé wọ́n ti fà á kékọ́rí. There is not going to be a second time for Tinubu. Tinubu náà dẹ̀ ti ń jẹ́ kó yé wọn wípé kàkà kílẹ̀ kú ilẹ̀ àṣà ọmọ olódòdó lélẹ́yìí. Àwa jẹ́ ká disgrace òun. Gbogbo àwọn leaders and elders ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n dúró ṣangiliti lẹ́yìn bàbá Tinubu ní pẹ́sẹ́ 8 years ẹ̀ ó máa lò fún àwọn dàmí ọ̀nà pàìnà. Military Nigeria versus military France. Anyway, mi ìfẹ́ kí fídíò igun jù kí lórí sí rògbòdìyàn màtá tó wà lẹ̀. Bá mi drop comment ẹ sábẹ́ fídíò yìí. Èyí tí o expect pé kí sọ tí mi ti sọ ìwọ bá mi drop ẹ. Má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí YouTube channel. I need your support. Mi ò ní dá ṣe. O sì ní dálé ayé ṣe. Bá mi like kó bá mi share fídíò yìí. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà. Yèyé dára kó ni mò ń jẹ. Ire o.